Okay, so basically today is July 4th. Can't believe it. We got here July 1st is when we flew in, so I have a lot of vlogs to catch up and a lot of things to post, but I'm going to be making dinner here in just a few minutes, and so like right across the street, that's the ocean. Yeah, like this is pretty fantastic. Long story short, I'm a hot mess. We've been running, unpacking, getting settled, and so and the kitchen's not completely settled yet, but I wanted to turn on some lights. But I wanted to review this vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto by TraderJoe's, which we're back in California, and that's fantastic. We have TraderJoe's. I am going to make a pasta with it, with zucchini and the TraderJoe's vegan kale pasta. So I'll take you through that. Totally forgot I had these in the fridge. They are vegan Italian sausage. We're just gonna chop these up and saute them with the onions and the zucchini while this pasta boils. Just a little tip, add some water to your onions to caramelize them. Cook this down and then we'll add the sausage and zucchini. So our pasta's done, the main part of our veggies are done. All I have to do is stir in some spinach to the noodles once I drain them. That way they wilt nicely. And then we're going to top it with this vegan kale, cashew, basil pesto, which I'm really excited to try. I think it's gonna be great. Still a hot mess, still working on my course. You hear Fitz, he's making a bunch of noise. And I plated this. I'm gonna take the official, let's see how it tastes. I don't know why I film these clips. I hate watching myself eat and talk with my mouth full. This is delicious. Definitely make this